Example 2, the function f of x equals 4x to the 4th power plus 5x when x is greater than 0 is 1-to-1 and has inverse function y equals g of x. Find an equation of the normal line to the graph of g at the point 9, 1 on g. Now, in order to find a normal line, okay, so which is perpendicular to the tangent line, so it is perpendicular to the tangent line at the point 9, 1, the slope m of the normal line multiplied by the slope m of the tangent line. So the normal line slope times the tangent line slope must equals -1. That's how we know they're perpendicular. So in order to find a normal line, okay, we need the slope and then use a point slope form to write out the equation. In order to find the slope, okay, we need to find the derivative g prime, okay, and plug in the value 9 to find out the normal line. So if the point 9, 1 is on g, okay, then the point 1, 9 is on f. So in this case, the x0 we're talking about is 1, and the y0 we're talking about is 9. So let's begin. Okay, the slope of the tangent line will equal g prime at 9, so that the derivative evaluated at 9, which according to the formula will be 1 over f prime at x sub 0, which is 1. So now we just need to find out what is f prime of 1. So f prime of x, using the power rule, okay, is 4 times 4 comes down, so 16 x to the 3rd power plus 5. So now we find out what's f prime of 1, so we plug in 1 is 16 times 1 to the 3rd power plus 5, so it equals 1 over 21. So the slope of the tangent line is 1 over 21, therefore the slope of the normal line is, okay, -1 divided by the slope of the tangent line. So it's a negative reciprocal. So what is a negative reciprocal of 1 over 21? It's just -21. Now make sure they multiply to -1. Therefore, the normal line, the equation for the normal line in point slope form will be y minus, the y in this case is 1, so at the point equals -21 slope times x minus x, which is 9. So this is the equation of the normal line.